Okay, this morning when you all are working in your GameStar Mechanic, I want you to spend some time in the workshop because there are some things that you all have not done and learned about. You are going to go down to where you can make a new game. I'm going to select a game that I've already been working on. Um, so since I'm working on this game, I want to select the settings for my level 1. Um, Looking at this game, I can already tell it's going to be a little difficult to beat, so I want to make sure that we can beat this game and win. So I'm deleting some of the enemies and making sure that there's a clear path to where we can win. But then I'm going to go under settings for level 1, and I am going to check out perspective. So that means you can see it a little differently. You can have multiple screens. You can also have the wraparound, which is what you learned in some of the levels where you had to figure out where to exit from one side to go to the other. So I'm going to turn my wraparound on, and I'm going to change the background to something different. You may not have unlocked this level yet, and if you have not, then just do the best you can, but figure out that those are some choices that you have. So my settings, I made it so that we can go to the wraparound, which means that you can walk from one side of the screen to the other. I changed the background. You can change your background style if you wish, but mine was fine. You can also put music if you want music. So I hit save. And now when I go to practice and play this game, I think I can automatically win. Okay, I have it set up where I can. It says wraparound is on, but as we discover, I want you guys to try to figure out why I'm not wrapping around. So let's edit. That's part of programming, is why did it not work? So go back to settings, and let's see if we need to do unbounded. That would be my guess. That makes sense to me. So let's test the theory. That's part of the engineering process. As you try it, if it didn't work, try it again and see if that worked. So now I can walk through, although I'm still got a lot of enemies. So maybe I didn't want to walk through there. Maybe I wanted to walk through up here where it might be a little clearer for me to, whoops, to not die. Although Miss Began isn't very good at this. So that is one of the options. I want you to work at wraparound. If you have unlocked your system, this one means that you can keep score, and it shows it up here. This one means that you need to kill so many enemies. So these are the enemies. There are 9. If you click on it, you can change how many. So I want you guys to try to figure out different ways to make the games a little better. However, this gentleman is not the sprite I need to use, is it? Because he does not have the little shooter thing. So I need to change this to him. And I think I did that. Replace the avatar. So now I can see, if I click play, not only do I have to get to the winning thing, I also have to beat 4 of these gentlemen in order to win. See how these are grayed out? I'm not going to win until I kill one more person or one more enemy. Although it looks like, again, Miss Began is not a very good gamer. She's going to die quickly, it looks like. So, there we go. Now I might win. So what I'm encouraging you guys to do is to play, but play for learning, play for planning. I want you to know what's available so that when we do choose to design a game of our own, we have a plan on how to win, how not to win, what needs to happen. So that is what I want you guys to do. Keep aware of what skills are out there. Yes, you can continue to do your quest and unlock more and more things, so that you can add higher and more difficult things for them to do. You cannot publish to the end, like publish to the world, until after you have completed all 5 levels. That's it. Have fun learning and exploring.